Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, we are looking at exactly how to align a table horizontally and vertically in the center of your Microsoft Word document. Let's jump right in. To begin, you will want your entire table selected. You can easily do this by clicking the small crosshair icon that appears in the top left corner of your table. With the table selected, right-click anywhere inside it and choose Table Properties from the drop-down menu. When the Properties window opens, navigate to the Table tab. Under the Alignment section, choose Center and then click OK. Your table is now perfectly centered horizontally across the page. Next, we need to center it vertically. Head up to the main Word ribbon and click on the Layout tab. Look for the Page Setup group and click the small expand icon in the bottom right corner to open the Full Settings dialog box. In the Page Setup window, switch over to the Layout tab. Locate the Page section, and you will see a drop-down menu for vertical alignment. Change this setting from top to center and hit OK. Just like that, your table is perfectly aligned in the exact center of the page, both vertically and horizontally. If this quick tip helped you streamline your workflow, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct professional software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.